Okay, focus. Lantaw ka may daya o wala? Okay, sunod mo ang imo kamot. Para imo kamot mo utod. Hindi mo pulpog. Okay na? Is empty? Okay, very good. Okay, now, meron tayo ditong 3 letters. Brother, speak louder. First letter, what letter?
A.
A. Second letter?
B.
B. Last letter?
C.
C. Okay, how many letter?
3.
3. Okay, now kids, it's time to start the magic show. Ready? Play. Okay. Ano nasa gitna? What letter? B. Letter B. I got a letter B. Play. Okay, there's a letter B. And 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Is empty B? Okay, please get the letter B. Okay, palakpak mo na. Clap your hands. Very good. Pakitaas. Okay, very good boy. Okay, now, I need your favorite food. Pipili ka ng pagkaon. Okay, ikaw ba gutom ka na? Gutom ka pa? Okay, pili ka ha? Ready, music please. Okay, meron ka na burger and fries. At siyempre now, ikaw ba mahilig ka ba sa baraha? You like a cards? Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, ito ang ating magic cards. Okay. Hold the cards. Okay, ang burger mo and fries, tungtong alay sa lamesa mo. Okay, give to your mother, mommy. Okay, and look at your card. Okay. Pakita sa audience, sa side. Okay na? Okay, now. Look at your cards. Okay, brother, what number? What color? What number?
Hindi pa ka, kay magic lang
What
siya.
shape?
Magic kasi hindi niya sa tuhod.
Okay, pakita sa audience. Okay, now, speak louder. What number?
6.
6. What color?
Red.
Red. What shape?
Diamond.
Diamond. Makinig sa akon. How many all diamond?
8.
8. Very good. How many all diamond is 8? Sakto po. Okay, ilan lahat ng diamond nakikita nyo? 8. How many big diamond?
6.
6. How many small diamond?
2.
2. At the back, what color?
Red.
Red. Sa Tagalog?
Blue.
Pula. Okay. And? Okay, our frame. Okay, isunod mo ang baraha. Yan. Sa Tagalog, blue. Okay. Sunod mo yun? Pasudla. Ayan. Okay, kids. Number 6. 6 diamond. Ready? Play. Okay, announcement to our kids. Okay, don't follow eating the balloon. Hindi kinakawa ng balloon, ha? Okay, meron ka ng burger, meron ka ng prize, at meron ka bang money and balloon. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you and
Welcome.
welcome. Very good. Okay, thank you for our volunteer. At siyempre nagpapasalamat kami kay Ma'am